Hello and happy Friday. Join us as we bring you the latest on the markets today. Here are today's financial headlines.
Netflix shares fell 9.5% to $97.62 on Thursday, pressured by weaker than expected outlook. Concerns over subscriber growth and rising competition weighed on investor sentiment. The Nikkei index fell 0.8% toward 59,000 on Friday, pulling back from record highs as investors weighed prospects of a permanent ceasefire agreement between the US and Iran. WTI crude futures slipped toward $93 per barrel on Friday, trimming gains from the previous session after US President Donald Trump voiced optimism about a possible agreement to end the conflict with Iran. The euro hovered near $1.18, holding close to recent highs, supported by broad dollar weakness. Improved global sentiment and easing geopolitical concerns reduced demand for the US currency. Ether fell 1.5% in the past 24 hours to around $2,300, as profit-taking weighed on prices. Cautious sentiment in the broader crypto market also limited upside momentum. Now let's review the major economic events of the day. At 8 a.m., Italy to release the balance of trade for February, following over €1 billion in January. At 9 a.m., the balance of trade in the euro area is expected to increase, after reaching a trade deficit of almost €2 billion in March. Monday's major economic events. At 12:30 p.m., Canada will release the annual inflation rate for March, following 1.8% in February. At 11:50 p.m., the balance of trade in Japan is expected to increase, after reaching over 57 billion yen in February.
And that's it for this week's Market News Roundup presented by Skyriss. Thanks for joining us, and see you again next week as we bring you the latest market news and insights. We wish you a great weekend.